How to craft arrows in Minecraft. Now, crafting arrows in Minecraft, whether it's a different mode, a survival mode, or any modes, it's very easy to build. Now, all you have to do is just to gather our materials. So the first material you need is oak planks. Now, for you to be able to get oak planks, you just have to gather it for some trees for you to be able to create a stick. Once you have created a stick, all you need to do next is to locate any dry walls for you to gather flints. Now, you also need to have a feather material in which you can get this or collect this through any random chickens. You just have to gather all those feathers for you to be able to completely build or craft your arrow. Now, simply have your stick into the crafting table, and then you also need to put your flint and as well as your feather. So as you can see, we have created 4 arrows per material. So that is how you craft arrows in Minecraft.